Miranda Pearson with Sotheby's International Realty Canada, located here in Calgary. I've been doing real estate for close to 19 years. My favorite one was Medicine Hat. So he took the drone and he went down the coulee, and the drone just lifted up, and then the property presented itself. It was really just like that wow moment. You know, when you get something back and then you just go, wow, right? I want to buy that property. That's the feeling that you have, because you can't express that. There's no description as a realtor that I can use that would substitute that video and that emotion that was captured. The best part of working with JZAerial, of course, is with Jan. Jan is definitely the guy that will see a project, but think, well, what can I do to elevate that? Unequivocally, I would recommend JZAerial.